Hi, today we're going to talk about nationalism, which was one of the main political ideals that backed the main events during the late 19th century and the 20th century. In order to have a correct theoretical approach to what nationalism is, probably what we should start with is a definition of about what a nation is. What is the concept of nation is something very broad. So probably we could define a nation as a group of people that share something, but this obviously is not saying much, as there are a lot of groups of people that share something and are not comprising a nation. So obviously the things that these groups of people share can be a language, can be a common geographic area, or can be a common historical development. The main element of this is the feeling that they share of being part of a nation, of something which is something that they share. An example, we can talk about Spanish nationalism, we can talk about Catalan nationalism or French nationalism. So if this is a nation, what is a nation state? A nation state is the relationship between the concept of nation and the land that this nation occupies. People that live in a specific place and have this sense of nations are the citizens, right? Before the French Revolution, a country was the private property of a king. It was a kingdom. After the French Revolution, a country belongs to its citizens, and this is the base of the nation state. A nation state is the group of people that share something, which is a nation, and have this strong feeling of being part of the same nation, and this nation is located on a specific place, For example, the French nation state. Spain is a nation state. Portugal is a nation state. The concept of nation state in Europe was present in a really few countries of Europe, in a really small number of countries of Europe. There were countries that comprised different nations, as for example we can see in this map Austria-Hungary or Russia. And the opposite, there were people that belonged to the same nation and had the feeling that they belonged to the same nation, but they were forming independent different countries. For example, prior to 1871, this occurred with the German states, which were independent one from each other, and also with the states that will comprise Italy after the unity of the country. Then the expansion of the idea of nation took place with the Napoleonic Empire. Right, with this, it was another of the French Revolution's ideas that expanded thanks to the advance of the Napoleonic troops. And obviously they met with the opposition of the most conservative regions, such as Austria, Prussia, and Russia mainly, with social and political systems based in the ancient regime, in the kingdoms being the property of the king. And then nationalism is going to be here at the base of some liberal revolution, but also is going to be one of the causes of World War. Nationalism is going to be present in the actual world in the form of political regimes from the far left and the far right, and so it's not related to any specific ideology or can be used by different ideologies.